problem of Kathmandu is waste problem, but we are not here for that, and we have to climb the waste. So yeah, it's a lot of waste. So look. Oh yeah? Oh my. It's 9. We are going to the vegetable and fruits market. Look, eggplant if you want. No? Look, big farsi we can take. You want to take one?
Yes.
Okay, let's take a look to this mountain of farsi.
Mountains.
I'm so hot.
What rupiah kilo dai?
50 sir.
50 rupiah kilo? Itu heru ni.
Ke भन्नु sir? Tomato sir? Tomato 60. 30. Lauga 70. Sir यो 130 को भएन? 130 को होस्.
What's this?
Tomato.
Hybrid tomato.
हो? बाक्लो छाला भएको त हैन नि? बाक्लो छाला भएको त हैन नि यो?
हैन सर यो चितवनको टोमेटो लाग्यो.
Krishna? No, there is also papaya there. In worst case. Oh, this is too low. Ekdam too low. Voilà. Market time finish. Now it's time to go to the temple, Pashupatinas. And there is a lot of people. It's closed. From here. The queue is massive.
सबैले सहयोग गर्नुहोस् अगर पुलिस सरकारले भक्तजनहरू This is the time now for the news broadcast.
A never-ending queue.
In the month of Shravan, I will come one morning around 3 a.m.
3
You can see all the people there waiting to go inside the temple. But us, we are not going inside. We are not going inside. We just get blessed from outside. Because if we try to go inside, I think it will take around 3-4 hours. Chara, hey Chara. Look at the crowd. Look at the crowd. We'll go outside.
Okay. Bistare babu. Bistare babu. Ganesh. Today, seems the monkey are not here.
Because a lot of people out
here. Yeah. We are at Jamgat. We are trying Jamgat, although we know Jamgat, so we wanted to share Jamgat with you. And we took Pengra, and they do amazing sekua actually.
Yeah.
Like the option between half 1 kg or 1 kg, half kg or 250 grams. They have a lot of Newari items and they have lassi also. So I like their pakoda always. Last time we took veg pakoda. This is paneer pakoda, and this is pengra. And according to pengra specialist, I'm gonna try the pengra. But I do. Oh là, it's fried. Oh yeah, indeed. You cook better the pengra. We need to open a pengra restaurant. We like this restaurant. Huh? This is the spot. But with ketchup, pakoda. Really? It's been approximately more than 35 minutes, or probably 30 minutes we are waiting for Sekwa. Sekwa is cooking there. We lost Krishna already. It is a long, we need to have at least 2 hours to go here. It's very good Sekwa, but now it's probably because it's New Year also. So we'll see you at home, maybe. Or I will show you the little back street of Kathmandu, how to avoid the roads with the car and to take the little labyrinths of Kathmandu. Thank you. Wow. Okay. See you there. Back street of Kathmandu. It's totally the shortcuts. Like instead of walking for 15 minutes, you walk up. That everything is the best way to navigate. It's a maze. It is a maze. Okay, let's go back home, and I will do like a real Nepali wife, Dal Bhat Dhido, mutton.
Here you go. Maya making a tea. It's a normal tea. Yes.
Easy to see. Well, how much of it? Australian embassy and meat shop, our favorite. So cute.
सधैँ यति लाने भयो क्या 22-23 चेकको मासु मलाई नपुग्ने यस्तो भयो तर यो पाइँदैन कि जस्तो लाग्छ पाइँदैन त पाक्छ टाइम लाग्छ एक्लै हो गर्ने
हो सबै डेलिभरीदेखि लिएर हरेक कुरा म आफै गर्छु क्या जानेपछि भागिहाल्ने क्या 20 रुपियाँ त्यो पैसा पो त
Thank you. Dhanyavad. Begin with garlic and 5 onions for 1.5 kg. It's not a recipe. I'm not very much a cook. The best cook is Krishna.
Let's see. Who is a better cook?
Yeah. It's Dal Bhat tonight. Dal Bhat Dhido. And tonight it's my first dindo. First time I cook dindo. No, I'm gonna soak the dal. So hello, I'm gonna soak the dal. So this is the kalo dal. And this is rato dal. Voila. I am going to put the water. So now we are going to let it for 10 minutes. So let's continue to cook. Yeah, I'm doing a big mess. Big mess. I'm cooking and I will be probably crying. And yeah, let's prepare.
You're gonna soak rice also.
Yeah, I'm gonna cook rice also. So we're gonna do rice for 4 people approximately. And that is the first part. Usually, usually we clean it in village. So. Very.
Soak it for a while so that the rice will be good.
Yeah.
Not long grain.
Long grain, yeah. And I'm fortunate because I love long grain.
You are professional.
No. It's a ghee, so clarified butter. Clarified butter from village.
Village. This is the homemade ghee. It's very tasty.
Made by the mummy of Ama of.
You will not find this kind of ghee in Kathmandu.
No. This is Himalayan herb. It is from Gorkha. Smell
Okay.
good. I'm still learning.
Yes, yes.
So my husband is very good cook. So I'm in big challenge today. Look at this is beautiful. Okay.
More.
And then
Et voila.
let's do the mutton, ladies and gentlemen. We are doing the mutton right now.
Put all oil.
We are chill and we are cooking. Hello!
नयाँ वर्षको शुभकामना
Hello! Namaste!
Cooking.
Okay.
That's all.
Okay. Don't put the plastic.
That happened to me a lot of times. It's very good mutton.
Yeah.
He always gives us a good part of the mutton.
Look.
Oh wow.
We are doing bhat. Dal, bhat, mutton, and Dhido. Ta-da! On a un petit peu de ghee là. What?
You are not a chef. Clean it.
First time Dhido. This is
More, less. Little more.
this maximum.
Oh no, little more. I'll tell you.
Wait, do I do with it?
Yes. Put. Fast. Put. Okay, I will mix it. More. Put more. The flour.
You need to have 4 hands to do it. Okay?
More. Okay. Put more. More. Otherwise, it's gonna be difficult. Okay. More. Little more. Yes.
C'est agressif.
Okay.
Come on, go over to because
Oh.
it's impossible. Oh yeah. I bet it's my first time cooking Dhido.
Okay. Thank you. It's gonna be anything.
So I'm not a good Nepali one.
Dhido is not even Nepalese community. It needs to be strong. Why?
Okay. Bon. Everything is good, but Dhido is extremely difficult to do. Oh, you have to put more? It's very, very special.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Still got it. Hein? Believe in me.
No. No.
Okay.
Yes.
Is it okay?
No.
I prefer like that. So this is the final dindo, beautiful dindo.
Oh,
It's good, huh? But you want rice also.
yeah.
Me, just dindo.
Okay. It's very good. Better than rice.
Yeah,
Very good.
yeah, me too. Me too, I found. Rice. This is dal? But under the supervision of...
Very easy to eat also.
Yeah, I love it. Me no rice.
See? See?
Mhm.
That's why
You finish.
it's very easy to
Yeah,
eat.
yeah, very easy. Huh? Very healthy, very tasty. But I'm looking at all of you.
Where is water?
Huh?
Where is water?
Water, pani.
You need to eat, huh?
Yes,
Hello.
So it's good?
Yes, very good.
Okay. Becoming addicted to dindos. It's very easy to eat. So you do like that? It's very hot. No, like
No, first, before you put your hand into you have to wet your hand.
that's why.
Yeah,
It
that's
is
right.
otherwise it is stick on.
Okay,
Take
so
that.
okay.
Taking a dal. That's why dal is necessary.
Ah.
Like that.
Okay.
It will come easily.
For the
Don't
mutton.
do it to hand.
How you do with mutton? No.
It's like a monkey.
Yeah. I'm a monkey. Oh no.
Together, always parallelly.
It's our cousin. Huh? Monkey. It's true. I like it, but I forget to do what I was supposed to do.
And this one too, and this one take both. No, not that they are complete, and they are too.
Ah.
Okay, completely. They're very good.
Yes. It's a Saturday. It's a day off.
It's not Saturday.
Oh yeah, it's a New Year.
Yeah.
It's not a Saturday. It's a New Year, so a family day.